Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to use quote blocks in Squarespace 7.1 and customize them to perfectly match your website's style. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add engaging quotes, but also how to tweak their appearance so they really stand out and complement your brand. This technique is brilliant for highlighting testimonials, memorable lines, or simply adding visual interest to your pages. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and inside the site you want to edit. If you're already there, great. If not, pause here and get yourself logged in. Once you're on your site, find the page you want to edit and look for the Edit button, usually up toward the top left. Go ahead and click Edit. This puts you in the site editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, as you look over the page, slowly move your mouse over to a section where you'd like to add your quote. Maybe you want to highlight a customer testimonial near your About section, or perhaps showcase a favorite inspirational saying right under your main banner. Hovering gives you those cool blue lines and little plus sign buttons. Those are your gateways to adding new content. When you see the plus icon exactly where you want the quote to appear, click on it to open the Add Block menu. Within this menu, there's a whole variety of blocks you can add: text, images, buttons, and so on. But for this video, scroll through until you spot the quote block. Select it, and instantly, you'll see a default quote pop onto your page. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect yet. We're going to personalize it. The next part is placement. You'll notice you can drag and drop the quote block to reposition it. Take a moment here to make sure it's in the spot that makes sense for your layout. This is a small but crucial step. A well-placed quote can draw the eye and improve how visitors experience your site. Okay, let's edit the quote itself. Double-click on the quote text. It will open up for you to customize. You can type out your own quote, maybe something personal from your founder, or copy one from online if you're using a famous saying. Just make sure it reflects the tone and feeling you want your viewers to have. For example, if you're running a wellness site, a calming affirmation can do wonders for your brand messaging. Let's talk design. This is where you take a simple quote and make it pop. Squarespace gives you quite a few options here. Want to add a background color so your quote jumps off the page? You can do that, choosing a shade that matches your branding. Play around a bit. Sometimes, a subtle background works better than a bold one, depending on your site's palette. You can also add a stroke, which is essentially a border around your quote block. Adjust the stroke color for contrast, thickness to make it stand out or blend in, and the corner radius for more rounded or squared edges. If you're envisioning a gentle, elegant box, softer corners are lovely, while sharp angles read more modern. And don't forget about padding. That's just the space between your quote and the box's edges. Tweaking padding helps your block breathe visually and avoids a cramped look. Now, for those who want to get creative, try adjusting the blend mode and blur settings. Blend mode changes how the block interacts with your background, letting you create cool overlay effects. Blur is perfect if you want the quote to have a dreamy, soft focus look. Don't worry if this sounds a bit experimental. You can play with these and instantly see the results, so nothing is permanent until you're happy. Take a breath and preview your work. Remember, it's all about clarity and impact. A well-done quote block can not only share words but shape atmosphere. And that's how you use and customize quote blocks in Squarespace 7.1. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. I always read and reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching.